Hello, I'm Cindy McMillan, and today I would like to talk to you about procrastination using the idea of eating your frog. So, again, and the mouse. There we go. Has this ever been you? You get to the end of the day and you're just super tired, you're worn out, you are stressed, you feel burned out, and you're just kind of thinking, I don't know what's happening. Why can I not do everything that I need to do in my day? I have really good news for you though. It doesn't have to be like that. Not at all. There are things you can do to fix that and to get everything done that you need to do. I'm going to put a link below this video, or beside this video, either way, of this Eat That Frog video. It has some great advice that can help eliminate the frogs in your daily life, the things that keep you from being as productive as you possibly can be. I'm going to talk about those stuff, so don't worry if you don't have time to watch the video. I'm talking about it. So as pointed out in the video, there are a few things we can do to make our lives flow together better. Are you ready for this? First, you have to identify your frog for the day. Your frog is your most difficult or unpleasant task that you have on your to-do list. So if you notice in this picture, there's some breakfast right here beside the person who's planning out their day. That is a really good piece of advice. If you plan your day while you're eating breakfast or even the night before is better, then you have that time when you can just get it all laid out in front of you and it works together really well. The next thing you need to do is eat the frog. So that means you need to do it first. Make your frog your priority for the day and do it first. No matter what, do it first. So if you have bad news to give to Jane and good news to give to Paul, and you also have good news to give to Sarah, you go to Sarah first and tell her the good news, and the whole time you're thinking, I gotta give bad news to Jane. And then you go and you see Paul, and you're just thinking the whole time, I gotta go give that bad news to Jane. And you get through your whole day, and you still gotta give that bad news to Jane. And it's been wearing out your energy all day long. That is what your frog will do for you. It will wear out your energy because it's always on your mind. You're always thinking, oh, I've gotta go do that. I gotta go do that. It's bothering you. So eating the frog first means that you'll have more energy to go through the day and accomplish the things that you actually need to accomplish. Finally, the last thing is to repeat this every day. It's amazing how your productivity level goes up and how much more you're able to do. Like the person in this picture, you can feel just set free because by getting the things done at the beginning of the day that you don't necessarily want to do, you're able to do more of the things that you actually want to do. So, you can enjoy new freedom and peace of mind by choosing to eat your frog every day. Mark Twain said, if it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if your job is to eat two frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. Thank you for viewing my presentation and have the best day of your life.